In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create travel requests in Zoho Expense. By the end, you'll know how to get from logging in to submitting a clear, compliant travel request for approval. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the Zoho website and sign in with your work account. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if your company uses multiple accounts, and use your standard sign-in method. Once you're in the Zoho home area, you'll see the suite of apps. From that list, choose Expense. This is where all your spending, reports, and travel requests are managed. Inside Zoho Expense, look to the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the Trips module. Trips is the area that houses your travel requests, whether they're still drafts or already submitted. If the sidebar is collapsed, just expand it to see the module names clearly. Next, go to the top right corner and click the New Trip button. This opens the travel request form. Think of this as your pre-approval. You're telling your approver where you're going, why you're going, and when you'll be away. Enter the required details for your trip, including your destination, the purpose of the travel, and your start and end dates. Be specific and use clear descriptions so your approver understands the business need. Double-check that your dates are accurate and align with your company's travel policy. If your organization uses custom fields, you may see items like Project or Cost Center. Fill in anything marked as required before you proceed. It's also a good idea to add a concise note if there's anything unusual about the trip timing or purpose, as that can speed up approval. If you're not ready to submit yet, click Save as Draft. This is helpful when you're waiting on final dates or clarifications. Your draft will be stored in the Trips module, and you can come back to it later to make updates and submit when everything is confirmed. When you're ready to send the request for approval, click Save and Submit. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure everything is correct. Take a moment to review the summary, then click Submit to send the request to your approver. You should see the status update, and your approver will be notified according to your company's workflow. That's it. Open Zoho, log in, choose Expense, go to Trips, create a new trip, enter your details, save a draft if needed, and submit when ready. Follow these steps, and you'll create travel requests smoothly and confidently every time.